Example 11 is a very important example wherein he is asking show that the difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. Herein we have picked a triangle wherein all the three sides are of different length. I only wish to place numbers to make it a very clear understanding that AC is the longest and BC is the second longest, and this happens to be the shortest of all these three sides. Now then he is again asking us to place a point D such that AD is equal to AB. Once these two sides are equal, it becomes an isosceles triangle wherein angle 2 will be equal to angle 3, that is the base angles are equal. For a deeper understanding of this problem, I just simply put the values. Angle 3 will be 40, angle 2 will be 40, and herein this being the external angle of triangle ABD, these being 80, 100, therefore 140 is the external angle. And as you can see, if this is 140 and these two angles will be other than less than 140, that is the sum of these two angles will be 40. After placing some numbers here, you would be able to comprehend what I am saying here. Now as you can see, these base angles being equal, each 40 I have placed. Now I am saying that angle 1 is greater than angle 2. The external angle is naturally sum of these two angles, therefore it is always greater than 140 is always greater than 140. Therefore angle 1 is greater than angle 2 is what we are deliberating here. Next, angle 3 is greater than angle 4. Now this being the external angle of this triangle BDC, angle 3 is always greater than this angle because this is external angle, and the sum of these two angles will be this angle. And next he says 2 and 3 are equal because these are the base angles of this isosceles triangle. And next he is saying 1 is greater than 4. Why? 1, as you can see, 140 degrees is always greater than 4. Yes, because 4 happens to be 25 degrees. And this is what we have been deliberating here. 1 is greater than 2 and 3 is greater than 4, and 2 equals 3. These two being equal, we can comfortably say that 1 is greater than 4. Applying these three things, we have come to this conclusion. With these numericals also, I have already proved that. Now that these angles being of this kind of inequality, angle 1 bears side BC, therefore BC is greater than 4. Angle 4 bears the side DC, therefore it is greater than CD. Sides opposite to greater angle is longer. And similarly CD, just tripping these things, BC is greater than CD, and we can also say that CD is lesser than BC. Both things mean one and the same. And now he is elongating the problem by arriving at CD. CD is nothing but AC minus AD will give CD, and that is exactly what he has written here. CD is nothing but AC minus AD. Now we know that AD is also equal to AB. So instead of AD, we can even simply replace AB because these two values mean one and the same. Therefore we can replace AD with AB and say that the difference of AC and AB is always less than BC, and this is what is exactly being asked here. Difference of any two sides of the bigger triangle is lesser than the third side. And similarly we can arrive at the other two sides differences in comparison with the third side, the balanced side. And finally we can happily conclude that the difference of any two sides of the triangle is less than the third side.